see, I hold my brush straight, my file straight. And I'm using 80 and 80 100 grit. Is that 100 grit? I think it's 80 and 100.
80, 100, yeah.
Yeah. Just in case you was wonder. Oh, the brand, I'm sorry. What people asking. Petals. Why is it so all the way up there? Sorry. Just in case. And a nail company has that. Enjoying it before the Glitz have the Condensed brush. But I really like that brush. I really, really do like that brush.
You like this more.
Yeah, but I will like Glitz more. But you will like Glitz more. Who say that? I didn't say that. No, it's just like whatever works the best for you, and then it's you feel comfortable with this, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I usually turn the client's fingers, the hands like this, so I can make sure I get like really precise, sharp look for coffin.
There you go.
Sorry. And before you start using your E5, it's like a lot of so many nail tech have different techniques. It's one of the techniques that you want to using a majority of us on getting powder, and sometimes it's too bulky on right here where it's a part of the apex right there, because we usually lay your beads here and then you pull your brush and it's make both side, how I say the whole entire the beads is getting a little bit flattened. So it's going to get flat and it's always get bulky on both sides. So now it's good tip and trick to just using it just upwards and give it a little gentle file like a swipe. And then you see that the motion you go up and you go down instead of just like flat back and forth on the top and the surface. So it's flat in the structure of the nails. Like everybody have so many different like techniques to do it. This is one of the techniques I would love to share. Usually I'm doing it this with the clients have longer nails and custom nails. And then by the time I'm using just emerald board right here, before I change it to my other beads or the sand beads to clean them and flatten them, there's already like really nice shape. So I don't, it's you know, it's like it saved me a lot of time to work on like shaping and structure of the nails. This is like reduce a lot of the bulk right here. You're gonna continue to doing it until the shape and the structure you desire, like you just really want it. Like if you feel like a little bit bulky, you can go ahead and continue doing it. This is just one of, and for beginner, if you feel like you're over heavy-handed, like heavy-handed filing, I would suggest applying one thin coat of clear powders over it. Do it like, so then when you're filing them, you don't have to worry about you filing a lot of your color acrylics off. Today, instead of me doing, what is supposed to do? Oh, what's like, we want to show the milk bag. We'll change our mind to become butterflies. It looks super cute on her nails. but we have to have one nails to save for a crystal placement. We can't not do it without no crystal, right, Mika? Definitely.
I need some sparkle.
Yeah, she needs some sparkle for her life right now. Bling it on. Hi, Nikki. I might miss something. No. All right, so it's good now. Well, if you can continue doing it more, but I think I can using. So I'm gonna show you two different way, or you can do two different techniques. It doesn't matter. Is will for the beginners. Usually I'm always saying it again, I'm using the sand beads, and this is the medium. It's medium, right? Because I think it was like before Mika was asking, I thought it was fine, but it's medium. Medium's good. And this is a new one. Like usually before you see the like black colors, like a dark color. So then when you fire on the client's nail, you see all the little sand is falling off on the cuticle. It's so hard to clean.